guys know what time it is! Daxter's Teachings.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm feeling a bit sick today, so if I just cough, it's okay. So, Year 9 History Revision, from the overthrow of James II to the foundations of the British Empire in India.
Boy, it's me, Nicholas Mouse. This is the Key Dates timeline. So, in the 1660s, British traders arrived in West Africa. 1685, Monarch Rebellion defeated. 1688, Glorious Revolution, William of Orange invades. 1694, Bank of England founded. 1701, Act of Settlement, Partisan succession secured. 1707, Act of Union, England and Scotland unite. Oh boy. Hanoverian succession, George I becomes king. 1715 and 1745, Jacobites risings, attempts to restore Catholic Stuarts. 1720, South Sea Bubble financial crisis. 1756, fall of Calcutta, British lose Fort William.
Keywords. Novice term for your exam. Infrastructural. Relating to basic structures like roads and buildings that support society. Nawab, a Muslim ruler or governor in Mughal India, often semi-independent. Artillery, large caliber weapons such as cannons used in warfare. Sepoy, an Indian soldier employed by the British East India Company. Nabob, a British person who made a fortune in India and returned home wealthy. James II and the Glorious Revolution, 1688. Why was James unpopular? Firstly, he was Catholic in a Protestant country. He appointed Catholics to key positions. He had a son in 1688, raising fears of a Catholic dynasty. No one in Britain liked So this was a really big surprise to British culture. The Bloodless Revolution. Parliament invited William of Orange, James' Protestant son-in-law, to take the throne. James fled to France, and there was no major battle. William III, Mary II, and Queen Anne. William and Mary, 1689, ruled jointly, agreed to the Bill of Rights. Parliament's power was guaranteed over the monarch. Bank of England, 1694, founded to fund wars and manage national debt, a key moment in Britain's financial power. Queen Anne, 1702 to 1714, presided over the Act of Union, 1707. Her death triggered the Hanoverian succession. Protestant succession. The Act of Settlement, 1701, ensured only Protestants could inherit the throne. Act of 1707, the Hanoverians. Act of Union, 1707. England and Scotland merged to form Great Britain with one parliament in Westminster. Hanoverian succession in 1714. Queen Anne died without an heir. This led George I, who was German and a Protestant, to become king. Jacobite risings. Supporters of the Catholic Stuarts rebelled in 1715 and 1745. The 1745 rising was crushed at the Battle of Culloden. Britain and India. The Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire, a powerful Muslim empire ruling most of India from 1526. By the 1700s of the 18th century, it was weakening, giving local Nawabs more power. The East India Company was the British trading company that gained military and political control in India. It employed sepoys, which were Indian soldiers, and were made to fight British wars. British involvement. Britain set up trading posts in Bombay, Madras, and Calcutta over time. These became centuries of British power. Or Nabobs and British expansion in India. What is a nabob? A British person who made a huge fortune in India and returned home wealthy, often viewed with suspicion. Robert Clive, a key East India Company officer. He defeated the Nawab of Bengal at the Battle of Plassey, 1757, securing British control. The fall of Calcutta, 1756. The Nawab of Bengal captured Fort William. The Black Hole of Calcutta incident became a famous story used to justify British retaliation. Key people: James II, William of Orange, Mary II, Queen Anne, and Robert Clive.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you like videos like this, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. You will pass your test. Trust me.